to Soundbites Academy. You have reached day 12 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge for beginners. Do you prefer camping or hotels when you travel?
Do you prefer camping or hotels when you travel?
Roses are beautiful.
Roses are beautiful.
I try new recipes.
I try new recipes.
I watch sitcoms with my friend.
I watch sitcoms with my friend.
This cat is naughty.
This cat is naughty.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Which bag is yours?
Which bag is yours?
I'm a 16-year-old student.
I'm a 16-year-old student.
I like bananas.
I like bananas.
Can you tell me her name?
Can you tell me her name?
I take walks in nature to relax.
I take walks in nature to relax.
What's your email address?
What's your email address?
It's a sunny day today.
It's a sunny day today.
Who was the singer at the concert?
Who was the singer at the concert?
She's my teacher, Ms. Brown.
She's my teacher, Ms. Brown.
Are you available next week?
Are you available next week?
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
I plan to visit a new city. Any suggestions?
I plan to visit a new city. Any suggestions?
Sorry, I got delayed by traffic.
Sorry, I got delayed by traffic.
Mom said she'll buy a cake for us.
Mom said she'll buy a cake for us.
Do you like camping or staying in hotels when you travel?
Do you like camping or staying in hotels when you travel?
Roses are my favorite flowers.
Roses are my favorite flowers.
I love trying new recipes in the kitchen.
I love trying new recipes in the kitchen.
I enjoy watching sitcoms with my best friend.
I enjoy watching sitcoms with my best friend.
This cat is mischievous.
This cat is mischievous.
What's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
What's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
Which bag belongs to you?
Which bag belongs to you?
My favorite subject in school is math.
My favorite subject in school is math.
I like oranges.
I like oranges.
Can you please give me her name?
Can you please give me her name?
Walking in nature helps me relax.
Walking in nature helps me relax.
What's your email address, please?
What's your email address, please?
It's such a sunny day today.
It's such a sunny day today.
Who was the performer at the concert?
Who was the performer at the concert?
Ms. Brown is my teacher.
Ms. Brown is my teacher.
Are you busy next week?
Are you busy next week?
How's the weather looking today?
How's the weather looking today?
I'm thinking of visiting a new city. Any recommendations?
I'm thinking of visiting a new city. Any recommendations?
I apologize for being late. Traffic was heavy.
I apologize for being late. Traffic was heavy.
Mom promised to buy us a cake.
Mom promised to buy us a cake.
Do you prefer camping or staying in hotels when you go on trips?
Do you prefer camping or staying in hotels when you go on trips?
I love roses. They smell amazing.
I love roses. They smell amazing.
I like experimenting with new recipes in the kitchen.
I like experimenting with new recipes in the kitchen.
Sitcoms are my favorite TV shows to watch with my friend.
Sitcoms are my favorite TV shows to watch with my friend.
This cat can be quite mischievous at times.
This cat can be quite mischievous at times.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Mine is chocolate.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Mine is chocolate.
Which bag is yours, the black one or the blue one?
Which bag is yours? The black one or the blue one?
I enjoy playing soccer with my friends in the park.
I enjoy playing soccer with my friends in the park.
What's your favorite color? Mine is blue.
What's your favorite color? Mine is blue.
Can you introduce yourself and tell me a little about your hobbies?
Can you introduce yourself and tell me a little about your hobbies?
I like to go for bike rides on weekends to explore new places.
I like to go for bike rides on weekends to explore new places.
Have you ever tried sushi? It's a popular Japanese dish.
Have you ever tried sushi? It's a popular Japanese dish.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
How do you usually spend your weekends?
Can you recommend a good book to read?
Can you recommend a good book to read?
I like to go for a swim in the pool to cool off on hot summer days.
I like to go for a swim in the pool to cool off on hot summer days.
Have you ever been to a museum? What kind of exhibitions do you enjoy?
Have you ever been to a museum? What kind of exhibitions do you enjoy?
Do you have any pets? I have a dog named Max.
Do you have any pets? I have a dog named Max.
I like to listen to music while studying. It helps me focus.
I like to listen to music while studying. It helps me focus.
What's your favorite holiday? I enjoy Christmas because of the festive atmosphere.
What's your favorite holiday? I enjoy Christmas because of the festive atmosphere.
Have you ever tried playing a musical instrument? Which one?
Have you ever tried playing a musical instrument? Which one?
I enjoy spending time with my family and having meaningful conversations.
I enjoy spending time with my family and having meaningful conversations.
What's your favorite type of dessert? I love chocolate cake.
What's your favorite type of dessert? I love chocolate cake.
I'm planning to start a new fitness routine to stay healthy and active.
I'm planning to start a new fitness routine to stay healthy and active.
Have you ever attended a live theater performance? It's a great experience.
Have you ever attended a live theater performance? It's a great experience.
What's your favorite type of cuisine? I love Italian food.
What's your favorite type of cuisine? I love Italian food.
Have you ever tried rock climbing? It's a thrilling adventure.
Have you ever tried rock climbing? It's a thrilling adventure.
I'm planning to learn a new language. It's always beneficial to be multilingual.
I'm planning to learn a new language. It's always beneficial to be multilingual.
I enjoy spending time in my garden, planting flowers and growing vegetables.
I enjoy spending time in my garden, planting flowers and growing vegetables.
What's your favorite type of breakfast? I love pancakes with maple syrup.
What's your favorite type of breakfast? I love pancakes with maple syrup.
Have you ever tried yoga? It's a great way to relax and improve flexibility.
Have you ever tried yoga? It's a great way to relax and improve flexibility.
I love going to the movies and getting immersed in captivating stories.
I love going to the movies and getting immersed in captivating stories.
What's your favorite type of weather? I enjoy sunny and warm days.
What's your favorite type of weather? I enjoy sunny and warm days.
I'm planning to start a journal to document my thoughts and experiences.
I'm planning to start a journal to document my thoughts and experiences.
I enjoy visiting historical sites and learning about the past.
I enjoy visiting historical sites and learning about the past.
What's your favorite type of coffee? I like a simple black coffee.
What's your favorite type of coffee? I like a simple black coffee.
I like to do puzzles as a way to relax and challenge my mind.
I like to do puzzles as a way to relax and challenge my mind.
What's your favorite type of pizza topping? I enjoy pepperoni and mushrooms.
What's your favorite type of pizza topping? I enjoy pepperoni and mushrooms.
What's your favorite type of snack? I like potato chips.
What's your favorite type of snack? I like potato chips.
Have you ever tried horseback riding? It's a fun activity for animal lovers.
Have you ever tried horseback riding? It's a fun activity for animal lovers.
I like to watch comedy shows to have a good laugh and lighten the mood.
I like to watch comedy shows to have a good laugh and lighten the mood.
What's your favorite type of soda? I enjoy cola.
What's your favorite type of soda? I enjoy cola.
I'm planning to redecorate my room to create a cozy and inviting space.
I'm planning to redecorate my room to create a cozy and inviting space.
I enjoy going to the beach and building sandcastles with my family.
I enjoy going to the beach and building sandcastles with my family.
What's your favorite type of movie genre? I enjoy action movies.
What's your favorite type of movie genre? I enjoy action movies.
I like to go on road trips and discover new places along the way.
I like to go on road trips and discover new places along the way.
What's your favorite type of shoe? I prefer comfortable sneakers.
What's your favorite type of shoe? I prefer comfortable sneakers.
I'm planning to start a new exercise routine to stay fit and healthy.
I'm planning to start a new exercise routine to stay fit and healthy.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.